How's that feel? Is that okay? Is it too much?
No. It's all right. That okay?
You're fine. Perfect. Just a tiny bit. I don't want to get wet.
That's fine.
In advance. Oh man. There's nothing wrong with advance, like if you already like worked a couple days or a week or something then. But if you know it's the beginning of a new payroll or something, it might not be good.
Yeah.
Cause it's like, dang, we haven't even had any clients for you to even get in advance.
I always try to do what I could do. That's all I could do.
I hear you. And don't worry, this does not stain. This comes right out. It just has a color to it. But it's not going to stain forever.
What is it?
It's just soap, but it has a color to it.
Okay.
I don't know if you're thinking like, oh my God, it's going to stain. It comes out.
Is there like massage for people who have rhinoplasties?
Yes.
Don't you think? I mean, like the same way you get surgery on anything else and have massage. I haven't looked into it.
Lymphatic drainage.
Yeah, well, yeah, I know that, but I just mean, I've never done it on the face.
It's just like, yeah.
But
Well,
it's the same concept.
It is, but far gentler. Right, I would have to.
Yeah.
Right, there's a whole class. Right, because in massage schools, yeah, I think it's the only thing that they
I've
don't
never
really teach
done
us.
lymphatic on any face.
They teach you in aesthetic school, though.
Yeah.
Because yeah, that's all you're gonna be working on is people who got problems in the face and how to actually work around it.
So what does this do?
This is just cleansing.
Well, it feels good.
Yeah, it's just cleansing the feet and the leg, lower leg. And so. Start with a nice cleanse.
Well, lucky for you, I just took a bath. So they should be nice and clean.
Is it lucky for me?
Cause my feet are clean. Like,
Okay. If they were dirty, I was gonna clean them.
and my leg.
I was hoping it would be not clean, so I could hook you up.
Next time I'm gonna go for a walk outside.
There you go.
I haven't had a massage in so long.
Okay. The last time I gave you a massage was about like 2 weeks ago.
Whatever. That was a long time ago.
Well, it's probably longer than that, actually.
Yeah, but it was a long time ago.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, what's up?
Hey, Kendra, how you doing? Come on in.
Kendra,
Oh, come on.
offer. $79.99. So then we change it.
Okay.
And she can have his name if she wants it that way. So if she wants 2 or 3 a month.
Okay.
Just do the calculator.
If they keep coming back, but for the return deal, that normally it's not $79.
No, it's Swedish. Then aromatherapy is in one time.
Okay.
All the prices are on the website, but it's more. The 79, like last time I think she bought 2 or 3 of it.
But what I will say is I forgot to put the towel on her bag. I think it's supposed to do that.
Did she mention it?
No.
Should be out.
But I was like, oh crap. And then I was like, I don't want to put it on her feet. And she'd be like, wait a minute. And then I'll be mindful and put it on her back.
Yeah. She'll be fine. It's fine. Is this the shaver?
Mm-hmm.
If you would have let me know, I literally just
calculated. If she wants to do with the credit card, that's right. I know what
the
that's
calculator. Check
I
on
mean,
the
not the
calculator.
calculator, I'm talking about the credit card. She has to pay for it now on the credit card. Yeah, but
It's
she
not
might.
easy.
I know you put it on one time.
I'll walk
but
you through it though.
Okay.
Don't worry. They're so helpful, but they get so worried.
Yeah, because it's, you don't want to mess up the money.
Yeah, a lot of people will get some anxiety, you know.
Yeah, you don't, because it's money. I wouldn't want to mess up money either.
Yeah.
Imagine what I ain't go casino. I worked at a casino, Horseshoe, and like
You worked at Horseshoe?
Mm-hmm. Right when it first opened up. Oh, don't get me wrong.
Doing
I
massage and
only
stuff?
worked there 4 months. Oh Lord, no. I was doing security.
Yeah.
And because the pay was ridiculous, like they were just offering people $50
They
an
needed
hour,
people to work.
Mm-hmm. And they just opened. I was like, shit, I'll take that $50 an hour. Mm-hmm. But it really only ended up to being 46 an hour. They took off $3 or 12 or something.
And taxes and all sorts of things.
Yeah, so it wasn't 50 or 60. Okay, we've done that foot. Moving on. So we're done that foot. We're moving on.
It feels fresh.
We're gonna let this foot dry. But no. Working at the casino, I would go to like the cage rooms. The cage rooms where they have all the chips and money, and but then there's the super cage, like the where they hold like money just in even in reserve that they don't even use. The only way that money will ever be used is if a second casino opens. If they ran out of money, they would ship it up to whatever. It just sits there. You're talking about millions of dollars. And I don't know if you've ever seen a brick full of money. I'm talking about it's like a chest, but it's like in a brick form, like a square, like a chest.
Yeah.
Nothing but like piles of it. I quit that job maybe 2 days later, just because of that. Because they kept trying to put me in the cage room. You have to sit there. You have to watch the person get undressed. You have to watch them eat. You have to watch them take a break. I'm like, wait a minute. So I thought we were going to be securing But you do rotation shifts, but we had a shift to where for that full month.
Okay. I need to tell you, because she does, and she's got something booked for next month, but
How many does she want? We're not. I know.
how many? Okay. Did you do that?
Oh no, if you gotta do what you gotta do.
Do you know how to run a credit card machine?
Karen, did you just really ask me that?
I know you do. She just wants to help her.
Yeah,
She just want to do the one.
I
I
think
need
so,
to,
yeah.
yeah.
Alright, so hit sale.
No, you can show it. It's on.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
show
She
you.
showed me before, but I need to also write the steps down. I don't know
You
what's
want me to
simple.
just give you the steps?
Yeah, it's okay. You don't want to mess up. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Do you
know.
want me to go?
Yeah, it's okay. I feel like it's possible. We need a break anyway.